Don't worry about people that try to put you down. They don't believe in you. They don't believe in what you do. People that don't believe in your projects. They don't believe in your talents. They don't believe in your capabilities. You have to believe in yourself. You, not anybody else. Not your mom, dad, not your teacher, not your friend. You have to believe in yourself. What do you love to do? You like music? You like paint? You like to help people? What do you love to do? Don't be a slave of anything. You know, when God creates you to be free. You're supposed to be free of everything. Find what you love to do, and then you never work again. Every time you go to work, it's going to be joy, pleasure. Don't be a slave of work. 9 to 5 jobs that you never want to be there in the first place. Money is not everything, you know. A lot of people build businesses and they are just there all the time. They have no time for anybody. They don't have time for their families, for their friends, to themselves. They are just a slave of the business that they built. You were created to be free. So eat well, travel, enjoy your life, be with good people that's gonna be happy when you win something, and when you conquer something, they will be cheering for you. That's the type of people that you have to be around. The water that you see here, coming from the mountain, fresh, cold, it's free. And we bottle it and we sell to people. That's crazy, huh?
Not guilty. Jump and do my own thing. I wanna pack my things and fly around the world. I wanna throw a big party and invite all my friends. I wanna be myself and not a social media fake. I'm gonna quit my dead end job and do my own thing. I'm gonna pack my things and fly around the world. I'm gonna throw a big party and invite all my friends. I'm gonna live life to the fullest because God wants me to. I wanna live